Hey guys, thanks for dropping by. I just wanted to show you this product in person in case you're interested in buying it yourself later. These are high quality mechanical pencils made by Candies. At work, I do a lot of hand drafting. I like using mechanical pencils because of the precision. The lead is thin and consistent, which allows for clean, sharp lines, which is essential in technical drawings, detailed sketches, and handwriting that needs to be neat. Unlike wooden pencils, mechanical pencils maintain the same thickness of line throughout the use. This kit comes with 0.5 and 0.7 lead. You get 240 pieces of each. In addition, you get 3 erasers and 9 eraser refills for your pencil. You also get 4 mechanical pencils. They are black and silver in color. You get 0.5 and 0.7 in each color. The mechanical pencils are made of metal and have some heavy weight to it. They feel professional and not cheap. These are great for writing, drafting, or drawing. The lead type of the pencil is clearly shown on the back. Each pencil also has a clip so you can attach it to a pencil holder. The tip of the pencil also has an innovative design that prevents the lead from wobbling. There are these micro grips at the tip of the pencil that pushes the lead downward. These are great mechanical pencils for everyday use. I like to use them for drawing as well as taking notes at work. It's also budget friendly and comes with a lot of accessories. With all the lead that they give you, you don't have to ever worry about running out of them. To keep everything organized, it comes with a nice plastic carrying case.